hop along as we meet some of the most unforgettable animals at Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. Home to more than 300 species, the world's largest zoological theme park provides care and conservation efforts for more than 2,000 animals. And if you're new to the Undercover Tourist YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon to see our latest videos. Today we get an up-close look at Maharaja Jungle Trek, a self-guided walking tour through the tropical Anandapur Royal Forest filled with Asian wildlife. Encounter the majestic Asian tigers along with gibbons, Eld's deer, Komodo dragons, bats, water buffalo, and over 50 species of birds. In addition to the native wildlife, Maharaja Jungle Trek features beautiful murals, reclaimed ruins, and colorful pennants representing the cultures of Northern Asia. Have you explored the Maharaja Jungle Trek of Animal Kingdom? What's your favorite part? Let us know in the comments below. Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.